Hello, everyone. It's Tolga, a data scientist working at NavigaAI. Welcome to the part two of our walkthrough. If you haven't seen the part one, we explored our chatbot's capabilities in terms of conducting complex data visualizations, handling missing values, doing data preprocessing, feature engineering, and at the end of the video, our chatbot built a machine learning model to predict tomorrow's mean temperature based on the data set we used. So in this part, we continue to do some more exploration with our chatbot, but now we're using a different data set, which is Freedom Index, which can be found online pretty much very easily. So in this data set, we have some categorical variables as well as numeric values. So it's a diverse data set in terms of the type of data. So we have country, region, year, overall freedom score, some economic indicators as well, like tax burden, government spending, some other business related indexes like labor freedom, monetary freedom, trade freedom, and stuff like that. So without further ado, let's just get started. So let's start with a complex query to see how our chatbot handles the relationship between text or the query we provided and the data it has. So let's just start with a scatter plot, but let's just make it more pleasing in terms of appearance. Let's just make it with encircling bubbles, and let's visualize data by visualize our overall freedom score by region and text burden, and then let's add some labels on that. So let's get started. Add labels. Plot an encircling bubble plot using overall score by region and text burden. Here's the plot, and I'm adding another addition to that, which is add label for regions as well. Let's see how our chatbot handles it. So if you haven't watched the first video, we discussed that our chatbot is also equipped with an AI agent that is capable of identifying the query, the type of the query, and it categorizes it based on the query, which then proceeds to choose the appropriate tool that it has. And also, we also have a debugger agent, which is responsible for overseeing the code that has been written, and it corrects the code if necessary, or provide the code if there's no error detected. So here's the output, which kind of looks a little bit, how should I say, not pleasing in terms of visualization. However, it basically did or plotted what we requested for it to plot. And again, best way, one of the best or cool stuff that our chatbot allows is that you can basically right click on the image and then basically open it up in another tab or download to your local machine. And here's the code as well, so that you might use it for your own or preference or use cases. So let's do something more. Let's see the relationship between these columns so that maybe we can better understand our data. Let's plot a correlation heat map. Well, this time our debugger found an error, which is this SNS is not defined right here. The debugger agent decided to debug it, and then after the first trial, it successfully plotted, successfully corrected the error. It probably imported that package. So right here, we have the correlation heat map, which again looks amazing in terms of both we have the annotated numeric values to see how the relationship, whether it's positively or negatively or even moderately correlated the data we have. And again, here is the data. Here's the code, corrected code, debugged codes per se, so that you can use it again for your own use cases or preferences. So that's it for this short or brief walkthrough. Thanks for watching. And again, if you're interested with our products, check out the description down below or our website, navigaai.com. Thanks.